vodka and whiskey's gonna ease my mind. Beach towel dress on the drying line. Do I remind you of your daddy in his 88 Ford? Labrador hanging out the passenger door. The sand from your hair is blowing in my eye.
Everything can change, and I don't know for how long I will be here. So why not? I'm not a person that works from 9 to 5. I can't do that. I don't want to do that the rest of my life. I want to see things. I want to go on a road trip. Just sitting at home one day and the next day I'm just in a car driving somewhere else. I don't know where.
Leaves start falling when the cold wind blows, and soon get covered by the winter snow. The birds start singing when the spring rolls round. Flowers blooming through the thawing ground. When you love somebody and the love grows cold, the sun starts shining when you let it all go. There's a certain kind of hurting only time can heal. That's a pretty good picture of the way I feel. I'm a little bit hurt, but a lot more free. I ain't saying that you never took a toll on me.
I'm feeling a lot more free in life and all the things I'm doing now. It's not quite there yet, but you're coming to a point in life that I just know I'm getting what I want, and I think it is a really important thing to just know. I don't know how to say things anymore. It's just difficult, and I'm just sitting here waiting for something to come in mind. But lately I'm really struggling. I'm tired, and I'm just, I don't know, not in the real world anymore.
Cinematic shots maken toch, boys? Oh nee, rennen de shot.
I'm going to France or Belgium in a couple of months, and I'm gonna film new stuff there, and I want to make this film to this point. This year changed me a lot, and I've seen a lot of new things. It's time to close a couple of chapters for me. Sometimes I'm lonely, sometimes I'm happy, Sometimes I'm sad, but I can stay there. I need to see the new things, love the way I live, and get through the disappointments in my life. I need to be strong, and I know I can do it. There's one way how I can express my feelings. It's making films, and I'm not planning stopping with it. Don't expect me to quit. I love you guys. Bye bye.